Hello, hi. To draw sine waveforms, it's very difficult, correct? If you look the sine waveforms like R phase, Y phase, B phase, how to draw, it's very difficult. For this reason, for students and lecturers, for everyone, there is a very useful solution there that is called Desmos calculator. Let's see practically how we can draw these beautiful sine waves using this Desmos calculator. Let's explore. Watch the video till the end. Before going Desmos calculator, just we need to understand formulas so that we can go Desmos calculator easily. So this is my sine wave. I'm sorry, my drawing is not good. So this is a peak. Okay, I consider 11 kV 50 Hz system. So from here, what is this 11 kV? Yes, you are correct. This is a line voltage. VL is equal to line voltage, that is equals to 11 kV. Then what is F frequency? Frequency 50 Hz. Now we need phase voltage. We need phase V phase that equal to, what is the phase voltage? Line voltage by root 3. 11 by root 3, it is equal to 6.3508. Okay, so now we need a peak. So what is the peak for sine waveforms? Sine waveforms, peak, V peak, nothing but root 2 into V phase. So if I am writing root 2 into, what is V phase? This one, 6.350. So V peak you will get approximately 8.98 kV. Okay, this is the peak. What is the peak here? 8.98. So now what is the fundamental sine wave waveform? That is equal to V. For example, if we are equal to Vm sine omega t. So where this is nothing but Vm is equal to maximum V maximum, that is V peak, that is equal to 8.98 kV. So 8.98 kV. What is omega? Omega, angular frequency, omega is equal to 2 pi f. Okay, pi in radians. Okay, for to convert radians to degree, pi equals to 180. Okay, so f is frequency. So substitute sine into what is omega, 2 pi is equal to 180, f is equal to 50, keep t as a t. Okay, so this is the R phase. So what is the Y phase? For example, Y phase, Vm sine omega t minus 120. Similarly, B phase, Vm sine omega t plus 120. So bear with me. Okay, it is not complicated, very easy, stay with me. So these formulas right now, it's very simple. Just take these formulas. Okay, take these formulas and substitute in Desmos calculator. That's it. Your sorry, that's it. Your solution is done. Okay, let's see the Desmos. Just go to the Google, type the Desmos calculator. It will open like that. Just first one, you just click it. So it is Desmos.calculator. Let me explain few things. This the bar where you are entering the formulas, and second thing, this is a setting column. In the settings, you will see this is a x-axis, y-axis, and then there is a down. You have a radians and degrees. We need to select this one as degrees because we are going to convert our pi value in degree. Next thing, just come back and open this one is a calculator option. So you can enter x, y, a square, b square, less than, all the functions you can enter from here. Okay. Now for our 11 kV, we will enter the formulas here. Like for example, I will consider R phase, that is equal to, what is the formula? I will get 8.98, correct? So 8.98. Okay. Now into what you need to press? You need to press shift star, so that it will look like dot, but it's not a dot. So it is a dot. So what is, how need to put this multiplication? Shift star. Okay. Then 8.98 come. Then what is next? Our formula sine. Okay. Then start the bracket. Then what is 2 pi f? What is the 2? You will put 2, and then shift star, that is a multiply. F is 180 degrees, correct? 180 degrees. Then shift star, it multiply. What is the frequency? 50 Hz frequency. Then shift star and put T. That's it. Your R waveform is gone. Okay. So, but if you look, you will see the screen. It is completely red. Okay. Don't panic. Go to the settings. Okay. Then here the value. What is our value? It is coming. Our value, it is coming around 8.98. Correct. So we will put it here 10, and we will go 10, minus 10 to plus 10. So then x-axis, we need to see the value is 0, and this waveform is very less, so 0.2. We can put 0, 2. Okay.
Wow.
1, no, we can put 5. So you can see the values. This is how you can see the sine wave. Now you can see the sine wave. It is start from, okay, from one peak. See, it is started like that. Okay, correct? So if you look from here, it is started from the 0, it will go peak. If you just put a point here, you see what is our value? 8.98. So your graph, it is very beautiful graph, correct or no? Correct or no? Then similarly, if you want to draw your y phase, also same, Control C and then just Control P, you just select the y. Okay, this is, it is minus how much? Minus 120. So
Wow.
it will get another waveform. So we need to change, this is y phase, we need to change the color. Go to the settings and select this red and select yellow. So you will get, so just click this one. Okay, done, finish. Then just click it, you will see now y phase. So y, it is started from where? It is started, it is delayed, correct? It is started from minus 120, correct? Similarly, now, okay, this is ry. Then let me draw one more phase, that is b phase. That is a b phase. R, now turn it as a b. Then instead of minus 120, plus 120. So you will get the y phase. Again, blue color we need to draw. So go to the settings and select here blue. Boom. That's it. See, you will see a beautiful sine waves which is starts like, minus 120 and plus 120. So this is how you can draw your beautiful sine waves. So I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe to electrical stuff.